Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, I do want to mention my phone is already reset, so this is the setup screen, but the process will not differ whatsoever. So, before we get started, also I will mention one more thing. You can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock. So if you have one set that you don't know, I can do this reset and it will get rid of it, but most of the time, or basically every time, it will mean that the device basically becomes FRP locked, and going to the setup process, you will be forced to verify your screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on the device prior to the reset. So anyway, that's one thing. And another one would be that when trying to do this reset in order to get rid of a screen lock, you need to hold your power button and the volume down till the phone turns off. And once it turns off, you want to again release the buttons and start holding them once more. The reason for that is because Motorola wants you to confirm your screen lock when trying to turn off your device. So when you press power button, volume up, and you select power off, if you have a screen lock, it will tell you to verify it. But if you hold power button, volume down, it reboots the device, forcibly reboots it. So anyway, for anyone who can turn off your device normally, just press power off and you're good to go. And for everyone else, I'm just gonna kind of demonstrate it like this. So I'm holding power button, volume down. Now you do want to interact with the display so it doesn't time out. And once it turns off, like about now, anytime, there we go. Switch to, or actually not switch, just release and start holding the buttons again. And this will take you to the boot mode. In here, using volume buttons, you want to select a recovery mode and confirm it using power button. Next, you will see Android with no command, so hold power button and press volume up once. There we go. Next, in here again using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it using your power button. Factory data reset. It will give you a message that it's formatting data, and then in a second you will see data wipe complete. There we go. And reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more, and this will continue resetting your device in the background, which will take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.